Hi students, hope you all well. Have a great day to you. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson My Body. Before we enter into the topic, first we learn the objectives of this lesson. In this lesson we are going to see about the benefits of hand washing, the term self-hygiene, acquire the habit of using toilets and avoiding open defecation, and also know the precautions to protect the sense organs, to recognize the differences and similarities in people's appearance and abilities, to understand what is good touch and what is bad touch, to grasp the importance of physical exercises. Let's see one by one now. In this lesson, we are going to study about cleanliness. So under cleanliness, we have to see hand washing, using toilets and bathing. In this, we'll see about definition of cleanliness. Cleanliness states of being clean and it is free from germs. What are germs? Germs are microorganisms that affects our body. Microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. They found in all the places. If do not maintain cleanliness, germs will affect us and cause many diseases to us. Next, we move on to the topic hand washing. What you all do? You want to play out. After playing outside, you will go to home. Before enter into the home, we must wash our hands thoroughly using soaps. Here there are some steps of hand washing. Let's see what are they and how to wash our hands. First, using tap water, wet your hands. Then apply enough soap, a coin size will take. Rub the palms and back of each hand together. Rub both hands holding all fingers. Then rub the back and tip of the fingers. Rub the thumbs and ends of the wrist. Rinse both hands properly with enough water. Why we want to wash our hands? Yes, there are lot of benefits are there. It kills or removes germs, lowers the risk of diseases like diarrhea, it prevents eye infections and also reduces the risk of respiratory infections. Yes, now the Tamil Nadu government announced we must wash our hands thoroughly. The best example is our coronavirus. Next, we move on to using toilets. In the world, nearly 1 billion people have no access to toilet at all and they are forced to do open defecation. Open defecation spreads diseases such as cholera and diarrhea. Groundwater is polluted by toilets and it also causes diseases. Children also get affected by intestinal worms which causes anemia. So it is necessary to use toilets in our homes. Why is it important to have a toilet? Having a toilet in our homes, yes, that will prevent diseases like cholera and offers privacy. It is convenient and safe also. There are some effects of open defecation. Waterborne diseases, diseases caused by insect carriers and also pollution to environment. Next we move on to bathing. Why do we take bath? Why is it important to take bath daily? Why do we use soap to clean our body? Yes, here there are some importance of take bath. Bathing cleanses the body, it removes dirt and odor from our body. It protects oneself from infections and also improves blood circulation. You know the fruits of soapberry tree are softenin rich and used as a soap substitute. Next we will see about safety measures in bathroom. Do not play with water or run around in the bathroom. Do not touch the sharp objects such as blades, razors and scissors kept in the bathroom. Use hot water under the supervision of an adult only. Do not leave soap bar on the floor. Do not leave the bathroom floor wet. Do not touch electric switches with wet hands. You may get hurt with an electric shock. In next video, we will discuss about how to protect our sense organs. Thank you all.